Hello friends, subscribe my channel. You can describe a gift you would like to buy for your friend. Let's start. Well, gifting is a way to express our love and affection towards the other. Here, I could like to talk about something special I am planning to gift. Actually, it's my mother's birthday the coming month, and I have planned to get her a smartphone. The fact is that my mother still uses an old phone which is not smartphone. She always pretends that she likes this simple handset, but I know her nature. She always make the compromises when it's came to her because of her caring nature towards the others. But I have planned that I will surprise her with the latest handset on her birthday. I have been saving my pocket money for a year now, and last week I went to the market to check out the latest mobile phone. I have the shortlisted one which I will gift her, and I am sure she will love it. This new device could be helpful to my mother in many ways. Firstly, when all the family members go out for the work, she feels alone and bored. But on the smartphone, she can remain active on a social networking application like Facebook and Instagram to spend her time in the interesting way. In addition, my mother has profound interest in cooking and love to cook new food items. And on her new phone, she can easily watch YouTube video to cook this something special for family. Lastly, she is quite religious and fond of listening to spiritual music which can listen all the time using the headphones without any disturbance. Now I am eagerly waiting for the day so that I can surprise my mother with this very special gift. Thanks for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe it.